Hello friends, in this video, we'll be learning an interesting problem related to permutation and combination, which is usually asked in most of the interviews. Okay, so let's see this problem. It is related to handshakes. Okay? Handshakes. So friends, how we can generalize this problem? Okay, so consider a scenario. There is a party. In that party, there are six people. Okay, a kind of home party. There are six people. Now we have to find or rather calculate how many handshakes will be there if all these six people shake hand with one another. Okay, so and we will also see how we can generalize this for more people. Okay, so what we have to do is let us consider that the six people are A, B, C, D, E, and F. All right, now here one more thing to note is A shaking hand with B is same as B shaking hand with A. Okay, so this will be counted as one. So A shaking hand with B is same as B shaking hand with A. Okay, so now we can say A will shake hand with B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so total number of handshakes here are five. I can write here five handshakes. Okay, friends. Then B will shake hand with C, D, E, and F, right? So here we have total four handshakes. Okay. Then similarly, C will shake hand with D, E, and F. So we have total now three handshakes. All right. Then next we have D shaking hand with E and F. So here we have total two handshakes. And then lastly, E will shake hand with F. Okay. So here we have the last handshake, that is one. So now all we have to do is just add this up. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So total number of handshakes is 15. All right, friends. Now see how we can generalize this. Okay, we can generalize this by saying generalized formula. Okay, so we have seen here that if there are six people, right, then person A shakes hand with the remaining five, isn't it? So the first person will shake hand with the remaining five, right? So we consider if n number of people are there, okay, then one person, that is the nth one, right? He will shake hand with n minus one. The first person will shake hand with how many persons? N minus one. Okay, that's what we have seen here. There were total six people. So the first person will shake hand with the remaining five. Okay, so the same thing I have generalized here. Okay, then the second person will shake hand with n minus two persons, then n minus three, and then so on and so forth. Three, two, one. Okay, so now isn't this the sum of first n natural numbers? See this clearly. If you see the series, sum of first n natural numbers, that is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? What is this? This is sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, that is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now what is the first term, that is n, total number of terms in this? since total number of terms is n minus 1, right? So all we have to do is just plug in this n minus 1 value in this formula. Therefore, we get n minus 1, and here n minus 1. In place of n, we have to keep n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, which turns out to be n minus 1 into this minus 1 and 1 cancels out into n divided by 2. Okay, so friends, the total number of handshakes is now generalized by a formula n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is the total number of people. Okay, let's check this for the previous question what we had done. Are we getting the same answer as 15, right? So if n equals to 6, then the formula says total number of handshakes will be total number of handshakes will be n into n minus 1 by 2. That turns out to be 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 into 5, which turns out to be 15. Right, friends? So now this is true. Okay, so the formula for total number of handshakes is this. Now, friends, we can also relate this with a concept known as combination. Okay, so as we have discussed here, combination means what? Combination stands for total number of arrangements or selection in which order is not important. In which order is not important, isn't it? So can I say when we took handshake with A shaking hand with B is same as B shaking hand with A, right? So here order is not important, right? So we had total number of people in the party. Total number of people in the party was 6, right? I'm talking about the first question we considered was 6. Therefore, can I say there are two handshakes, right? Two persons will shake hand. So out of 6, 2 are shaking hand. So 6C2, right? So what is that? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This turns out to be 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, and that is nothing but 6 into 5 divided by 2, which is again 15. So friends, this is the third formula to calculate the total number of handshakes. I hope you found this interesting. If you liked it, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.